Hi, I'm Scott Markwood, Training Coordinator at Hafele America Company, and we're in studio today installing some Hafele Lux LED lighting. Now, if this is the first time you've ever installed LED lighting in a cabinet, this video is just for you. We're going to give you some tips and tricks to help you be successful. So let's get started. Review the lighting design with the designer. Note where the power is located on the design. Open the lighting box first before unwrapping cabinets. Note, lighting could be in several boxes from multiple warehouses. Lay out all lighting components and check against the design and bill of materials to be sure all parts were received. Repack the lighting box or boxes if the pre-installation order check was done prior to the actual installation. Locate the power sources. Plan driver locations in proximity to power sources. Install lights into wall cabinets before they are hung, unless it's under cabinet lighting. Install light bars into drawers before setting base cabinets or installing the countertop, unless it's a fixed floor tall cabinet installation. Install lights into a light rail before the cabinet is installed. Before hanging cabinets or attaching panels, drill holes for routing wires. Before attaching tall cabinets to base cabinets or hanging cabinets, route all wires through holes and up to the drivers. Route lead wires up the side of hanging cabinets before attaching to the wall. Manage wires through wire management covers and zip ties to keep the installation organized, to hide wires, and to create a clean, streamlined look. Label wires to easily associate light, switch, and driver. All right, well, thanks for watching this video. I'd like to encourage you to watch the rest of the series, which you'll find on Hafele's YouTube channel at youtube.com/Hafele America Co.